Welcome to Shoe Care Academy. It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevnator. It's been a while since I've done this, so bear with me. I'm gonna do my best. I got my personal pair of Travis Scott 1 lows. I took them to Colombia and got caught in the rain, so they're pretty thrashed. We're gonna clean these today using our essential cleaning kit and our dry suede kit. We're gonna bring these back to like new state. That's gonna be it. Let's go. All right, now that I have the laces out, I'm gonna go ahead and try and dry brush some of this dirt off. I just tried a minute ago, didn't do very well, but we're gonna try it again. Yeah, nothing's really coming off. So the next step is gonna be to dip this. Actually, we'll start with the soft bristle brush. We're gonna go ahead and dip this in the solution and get to cleaning. All right, now that I went over the uppers one time, what I'm gonna do, just so I can clean this water, get some fresh water before I go over it again, is take the medium bristle brush, and I'm just gonna hit the undersoles just to get the dirt off the bottom of these shoes. That way I can change this, have fresh water. All right, now that we went over this shoe one time, I got some clean water. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the medium bristle brush. We're gonna go over the shoe again, try to get all the dirt and grime, make sure that we get all the suede evenly so it dries evenly, and this looks really good when it's done. Let's get to the next step. Okay, I've gone over the entire shoe. It's looking pretty good. We need to clean the laces. Depending on how they look when they dry, I'll probably use our dry suede kit here and maybe a little mink oil to bring this suede back. We'll see after it dries. Let's go ahead and move on to this step. All right, so now that we got the shoes cleaned, we got the laces gone over, we're gonna go ahead and put this outside, let it dry for a while, bring it back, finish it up, and conclude this video. So we'll see you in a few. All right, we're back. This thing has been dried. It's looking pretty sweet. I do want to mink oil it though. This suede is a little lighter. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just take our horsehair brush, just gonna dry brush it a little bit. Reset this nap slightly. And then I'm going to spray it with mink oil. So typically you want to do this outside. We're in a pretty big studio, so I'm going to spray it right now, but nice even coats. When you're spraying this, don't worry if it goes on leather. It is a leather conditioner as well. Actually help it last longer. And then we'll let this sit for a second, and then we'll brush it, and then hit it one more time, and we should be good to go. All right, now the mink oil's done. All we got to do is lace it up. All right, so basically we have it laced up. I'm just wiping the excess mink oil off the leather, making sure we're good to go there. These things turned out great. I do have a scuff that I noticed after this cleaning that I think Vic might have to fix on camera, so you might see that comes pretty soon. But really, that's going to conclude this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Use my code below. I think I have a code, and we'll see you soon. Who knows? I might do the next cleaning video. Peace.